Creating 3D animation just got easier. Take a look at the videos I created for free using just AI.
Creating 3D animation just got easier.
Starting my adventure, let's go!
Man, I'm tired. I suffer to create videos, no views, no likes, no comments. I've left YouTube. I'm now in the desert.
Health is wealth. Always keep fit.
Hope you have subscribed to Discover with Jay.
Alright, now that you have seen the videos, allow me to show you how I created those videos for free. By the way, my name is Jeff Francis. If this is the first time I've come across my YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. And yes, if you want to learn video editing from me or you want me to be your editor, links to get in contact with me are in the description box. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so welcome to my phone. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to get an image for the animation. And for us to do that, we are going to be using ChatGPT. Now, open ChatGPT. Here on ChatGPT, I'm going to be using a man's image. I'm going to click here to add an image. If you want to use your own image, just click here and you add your own image. So I'm going to add an image and I add a text prompt to generate the image. Alright, so now I've added the image. If you look here, you're going to see the image and I added the prompt. It says, using the image above generates a 3D male cartoon character of a man wearing a white top with Discover Widget written on it and a blue pants walking in a modern street. His direction should be facing the camera. Image ratio 16:9, image style 3D cartoon. So remember, if you want to use your own image, just click here and choose your own image. You can as well use only the prompt if you don't want to use your own image. So I'm just going to hit on send to generate the image now. So it says getting started. Now it's going to generate our image for us. So let's wait. Alright, so guys, our image is ready. You can see it here. This is the image. See it here. So I'm just going to click here to save the image. Then we go to animation. Let me show you how I create those amazing 3D animations. I'm just going to save this to my phone. Now the next thing that we need to do is, if you're on your mobile phone, go to Play Store. Go to Play Store and search for Digen AI. So this is the particular AI. You can see I've already installed it on my phone. It's showing updates. So download this particular app. Then if you're using iOS, you can use their website. Just go to Digen AI. Just search for Digen AI on your browser and you're going to see their website. So you can either use their website or their app. So this is the Digen app. Let me open it. Alright, so this is the Digen app. As a new user, you're going to sign up for an account. If you look up here, you can see that I have 340 credits. And one sweet thing, like one good thing I like about this particular app is that every single day that you log in to the app, they're going to give you free credits. I think up to 140 credits. And video creation costs about 20 credits. So you can create a lot of videos in a day. And the sweetest part is that if you're not able to exhaust your credits that day, the credits will still accumulate the next day. So now we are going to click at this top bar, click on create. Alright, so now it brings us to this interface. Let me show you guys. This is where you upload your image. This is where you enter your text prompt. This is where you enter your audio. You upload your audio if you want the image to talk. Let me show you guys. Let me upload the image we got from ChatGPT first. It's uploading the image now. Alright, so now we have uploaded the image. Now let me enter the text prompt. To enter a text prompt to animate your image, just click here to enter it. So let me enter it. So this is my prompt. It says a 3D cartoon male character walking naturally down a modern street, swinging arms slightly, blinks, moving mouth and head naturally as he talks to the camera. So this is my prompt. Now let me enter my audio. You click here at this place to upload your audio. Now when it comes to audio, you have two options. You either enter your text, let me show you guys. You either enter your text here and choose a voice, or you can upload your own audio, or you can as well record your own audio. And also it's important for you to know that you can only generate 5 seconds video on this app, on this website. So if you want to know how to lip sync longer videos, I think I made a video on how to do that, how to animate your characters easily, updates. So go and check that video out if you want to learn how to create longer lip synced videos. So now I'm just going to upload my audio. I have an audio already. You can use 11 Labs, Google AI Studio, Speechmart to generate your voiceover. So I'm just going to click on upload. So now I'm uploading the audio. Let me check and be sure that this is the audio.
I'm out here enjoying fresh air. What about you?
Alright, so this is the particular audio. Now, also take note, there is a button below here. This place that says lip motion. Make sure to turn this on. Alright. Now that we have uploaded our audio and our test prompt, just hit on generate video. So it says waiting in queue. Let's just wait. This should take like about some minutes. So let's wait and see the results. Alright, so guys, our video is ready. If you look here, you are going to see the video. So I'll just click here to download it to my phone. Then I'm going to play it on my phone so that you guys can have a better view of the video. And yes, don't worry about this watermark below here. I'll show you how to remove it. So let me save it to my phone now. Alright, so this is the video on my phone. I've downloaded the video and this is the video. Let me play so that we can see.
I'm out here enjoying fresh air. What about you?
So this is a video. Now, if you want me to make a video of how to create a full 3D story for free using AI, do well to drop it in the comment section and I'll make sure to do a video on that. Let me show you guys how to create a video, a full 3D story using AI completely for free. If you are interested in that, just drop it in the comment section. Now, to the part of this watermark that is showing here, this watermark that is showing here that is saying Digen AI. Let me show you guys how to remove it. Now, I want you to download this app. It's called Video Watermark Removal. You can as well use any watermark removal of your choice. So I'm just going to click on it. So now this is the interface. This is where you remove watermark. You can also add watermark. Please, this is not a promotional video. This is a tool I use frequently. So I'm just going to select that video that I want to remove watermark from. Let me select the video. Alright, so I've selected the video. Now let me select the part that I want to remove watermark from. Increase this a little bit. Alright, so I'll click on export. And boom, we have our video.
I'm out here enjoying fresh air. What about you?
No watermark. We have a clean video. So this is how to create 3D animations using AI for free. Like I said, if you want me to create a full tutorial of how you can create a full 3D story using AI for free, do well to drop it in the comment section and I'll gladly make a video about that. Now, if you got value from this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, drop your opinion in the comment section and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Peace out.